News Channel 1962. We are outside here with Samantha Levine and Erica Miller covering the Hurricane Sandy. Ladies, it's very, very dangerous out there.
Hello, Bob, and yes, dangerous indeed. Thank you to the Salvation Army for providing the staff of News Channel 1962 with these life jackets.
We are broadcasting live from Hillsborough, New Hampshire, where families have been strongly advised to remain indoors.
Any loose items should be secured or brought inside immediately.
Families should stock up on candles, water, and non-perishable items.
Scared of the dark? Scared to be home alone?
Don't worry, we have shelters open and available in New Hampshire.
Keene Recreation Center in Washington Street and Nashua South High School on Riverside Drive.
And remember, if your children weigh less than 50 pounds, hold on tight. We are experiencing winds that are at 55 miles per hour, folks.
Stay tuned for a list of school closings.
This is News Channel 1962, reporting back to you, Bob.
Thank you, ladies, for the update. It's very, very windy out there. I can hear it roaming around here in the studio. Now, everybody, stay safe in New Hampshire and stay indoors. Bye-bye. And go. Bob here from Channel... Oh. Go. Hello, Bob here from Channel News... Fuck.
Hello, Bob, and yes, dangerous indeed. Thank you to all the Salvation Army for providing the staff of News Channel 1962 with these life jackets.
We're broadcasting live from Hillsborough, New Hampshire.
Thank you. Fuck. Recreation Street on Washington Ave Center. Fuck. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh, strongly advised.